as we dance.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look. It's glamorous but it's very simple and I've used a lot of subtle colors both on my eyes and my lips. But the special thing about today's video is that I'm going to be introducing you guys to a very new brand that I've recently been trying and I'm absolutely loving. So the brand is Folklore. That's the name. Now I received these products from an Instagram page called Brand in 13. I will link their page down below. Do check it out. So I have actually tried 2 of their palettes. So today I'm going to be using this palette. Beautiful color palette, wide array of colors, both mattes and frosty and shimmery. Very beautiful, blendable, pigmented colors and not expensive at all. I will mention the prices of these palettes as well for you guys. So just to share with you because I'm loving these products and they're very new, so we must try our hands on these new brands as well. And at the same time I'm also going to be using their brushes. Let me just pick them and show them, and I'm sorry they are dirty because I've already used them to create this makeup look. So these are the brushes. So this is an entire set of I think 10 brushes. You can just use all these brushes and create a complete makeup look. You don't need any other brush. I've not used any other brush and I've used just these and created this look on myself, except that I used a beauty blender from other brand. So these brushes are for 1300 rupees. So in 1300 you're getting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes, which means on an average 130 rupees for a brush, which is amazing guys. Trust me, I love these brushes. The brand has not told me to do this video. They just send me these brushes and palettes to try. It's not a sponsored video, but I love them so much. And so many of you guys always ask me about what are the good brushes to use. Try these ones out from Folklore, available with brand in 13. Soft, very soft brushes, really nicely blendable, very soft on the skin, and they really do a great job in blending the eyeshadows and everything. Love them to bits. So let's start with the video where I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. This palette is called Endless Possibilities, and the brushes, and let's see how we get this look.
As I'm starting with this palette, the Endless Possibilities palette. So first I'm just preparing my eyes using the Elegirl Pro Concealer. Use any concealer. Then I'm taking this foundation brush from Folklore. I'm using all the brushes from the same set, Folklore. This one is a blending brush. I'm picking up this peachy orangey color and I'm gonna just start applying it on my crease. So you know the regular grind, I always warm up my crease. Then I'm taking this slightly orangey bricky browny color and I'm just deepening my crease using the same blending brush. All the brushes are extremely soft, very good for blendability and application of eyeshadows. I'm going to apply that same reddy browny color on my outer corners as well. So after I've applied it on the crease, I've also applied that same color on my outer corner. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna buff the edges so that nothing is looking harsh, everything looks soft and blended. Now I'm taking this metallic red eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm gonna just apply it all over my lids using the flat eyeshadow brush. So what I really like about this brush kit is that it has all the brushes which will serve all the problems and all the purposes related to your makeup, be it the face makeup or the eye makeup. Now taking this tiny lid brush, I'm gonna use this golden color just in the inner corners of my eyes, like you can see. So you can see you have all the shapes and sizes of brushes and you can just use it at every nook and corner of your eyes and your face, and you just are sorted with just one brush kit. So I'm just gonna apply that golden color, and then I think I took the same golden color on my finger and I just applied it on the center of my lid because I didn't want a lot of red going on and I just wanted a pop of metallic shiny sheen on the center of my eye. So I just did that, and then I took a matte dark brown eyeshadow and I just sort of deepened the outer corners because I wanted a little more dimension and a little like depth on the outer corners. So just applied a tad bit, not too much, using the same blending brush. Now it's time for face. I will do the rest of the eye later. I'm using my Elegirl orange corrector and then that same brush to blend it. For my foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Absolutely love this foundation to bits. So using the same foundation brush, I first spread the foundation and then I just blend it with the beauty blender. And now I use the Elegirl Pro Conceal in creamy beige color, and I just applied it on all the high points of my face and under my eyes, so that I can just have extra concealing and highlighting effect on my face. And then using the same foundation brush, I use it to just sort of blend everything out. Now using another concealer, this is from Flower Beauty. It's a really nice concealer. I am just using it a little more to sort of brighten the under eye. Like I've already concealed it. Now I'm just brightening the under eye a little extra. Then I'm using my MAC Studio Fix compact powder and applying it all over my face to set the foundation and the cream products. And I've used this brush, the powder brush from the same kit. Now this one is another brush. It's a little larger in size as compared to the previous one, but both the brushes are equally good in applying the powders. Now taking this really nice like a blending brush, but not a very big in size, tapered blending brush, I am bronzing up my face using the Kiko Milano bronzer. I really like this bronzer, looks really good on Indian skin tone. And just applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, on my temples, jawline, and I'll also be contouring my nose a little bit. So yeah, you guys know the grind. I always do the same techniques for my face makeup. Then using the MAC blush in Fleeting Romance, I am just applying the blush using a blush brush. You guys can see all the brushes are from the same kit. I have not used any other brush. Now for highlighting, I am using the Druminizer from the Balm. It's a liquid highlighter, which I am a big fan of. So first I apply this liquid highlighter, blend it with my finger, and then using this fan brush, I'm going to apply the normal highlighter, the powdered compact highlighter. This one is from Milano, which I also love absolutely. It's a beautiful highlighter, and this combination of liquid highlighter with the regular highlighter just does the trick for me, gives that amazing blinding glow. And now I'm just going to set my makeup using the MAC Fix Plus and very gently just push all the products into my skin. And now coming back to the eyes, I'm taking that same bricky browny red color and applying it on my lower lash line, because I love a smoky lower lash line. And then to just deepen it a bit more, I am applying that brown eyeshadow using the smaller lid brush. I'm just repeating the same brushes which I used for my the rest of the eye makeup. After curling my eyelashes, I'll put the mascara on, and I'm going to be using the Shukra style of eyelashes from Hina, an absolute favorite brand of eyelashes. So you guys can see so much of difference eyelashes make to your eye makeup and your overall look. Now it's time for eyebrows. I'm using the Kiko Milano brow gel and the angle brush, which also comes in the same brush kit. I'm just gonna define and fill my eyebrows. Not going overboard, but I really love to do the eyebrows, and you guys can see the difference that it makes. Now using a lip liner, this one is from Nika. I think it is Pillow Fight, that's the name. I'm just going to define my lips. Again, another trick and another very essential step of makeup. Define your lips, fill it up, and then I'm going to apply a combination of these two lipsticks. Both of them are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One I think is called Undressed, and the other one I think is Katrina, if I'm not wrong. So these are the two lipsticks. I've combined the two, and I've got the beautiful nudie kind of effect on my lips, which really goes well with my eye makeup as well. So yeah, this is it for my makeup, and just applying a bit of that highlighter on the inner corner of my eye to get that pop and a more opened and awake eye. And as a mommy, I am doing my videos, and I'm also sometimes teaching Arav, or just that's mommy life, guys. So yeah, I think I had given him some homework. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's a very simple makeup look, but looks very wearable, very glamorous, and very easy to do.